What is it, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful iX xDrive60 M Sport Pro. As you can see, this car looks super sleek. The color is very nice indeed. It's like this dark blue finish that we have. Very looks super fine, man. Damn, let's take a walk around to show you how the exterior looks like before we jump right into the interior. But damn, look at it, smoked out tail lights. Got some amazing looking finishing that we have all over the place right here. Let's take a walk around to show you guys what we are actually looking at. So let's start off with the front lights. I love how futuristic these lights actually look. Now there's some cuts here and cuts here, certain angle how it's faced. You got some amazing openings for the bumper for air to flow through on the left side, and you got this beautiful grill that's super clean, man, dude. The daytime running lights, I believe the kidney grill has their own lights, which is located around the grill, as you can see. Number plate holder right here. You got some 360 camera for the front right here. You got your badging for the BMW located right at the front. I love the hood, how it's located in this kind of like design in such a way that it looks very much aggressive depending on where you stand, right? So it has that aggressive look and aggressive appeal, including from the side right here, how the way it cuts and goes down. So fantastic. Now I love the gloss black finishes that are on this dark blue, as you can see, right? So it looks very nice indeed. So very nice. So let's take a look also at the wheels that we have. Now the wheels that they're using are Pirelli car tires. You also get them in a tire size which is located somewhere around down here. So it should be at about 275 and also 40 R22. So these are 22-inch wheels that we have. I love the two-tone finishing that we have. It's got grey stuff right here, got some black, and then you got the M badging right there with a silver finish in the outline. So it looks really aggressive and nice. Love how it looks. The mirror we have right here, black finishing down here. You got the 360 camera right here. You also get your turn indicators right there. Nicely done. Yeah, very nicely done. So mirrors have the blind spot assist as well. Let's open up the passenger door. Now check out the ambient lighting on the door side, guys. It's on nearby the window. So the design is super different compared to other cars, So other of their cars are different. So memory seats are located at the door. You got some adjustment for the seats located here. Opening up of the door is a button. Lock, unlock. You got your Harman Kardon speakers built in. You got this different kind of two-tone, three tones. Wow, finishing is different. Compartment storage down here. Bottle store is right there. Handle to hold to close the door here. Or here is either to keep your phone, I believe. To keep slotting your phone. So window to wind down. Amazing design. So let's take a look at the inside, guys. Futuristic design for this. Fantastic. Let's lower down the volume for this because it's playing some automatic videos to play. But yeah, let's check out the center. Amazing, right? Center is right there. But check out the seats that I'm sitting in. So you got your air vents located right here. You got the amazing leather dashboard with some stitching over there. Speaker sound system right there. Frameless mirrors up here. Lights as well as call button. And also your other adjustments for you to do. Beautiful. Very nice indeed. So texture, different kind of fabric texture also that we have right here. Different finishing. And also you got an amazing glass roof, man. Love how this glass roof is, man. Beautiful. So let's check out the doors, man. Amazingly. Love how the lights are there. I believe this is the manual handle to open up the door down here. Let's close the doors. Show you guys how it actually feels, man, to sit inside here. So this is me sitting comfortably without actually adjusting the front seats, but it's already quite spacious, man. It really is. Check out the back. Amazing. Now let's open up the doors again. Let's take a look from this side to show you guys how it actually looks. So it feels super awesome. Very clean like design of a seat. Fantastic design. Now we'll get to this shortly later, but let's take a look at the rear. Let's open up the rear doors for you guys to have a look. Now the beautiful part about these doors is that you just put your hand in and there's a button to press so it opens up, So cool. Amazing. So Texture right here, Harman Kardon speakers right there, button to open up the doors, handle to hold, windows, storage compartment. Again, the ambient lighting, my personal favorite, frameless doors, you know, for the mirror. So it's really beautiful. You got your air vent adjustments right here. Again, handle to open up the door. You got amazing legroom space is fantastic, man, dude. Now you get these Type-C chargings right here, and you got another slot for you to like perhaps plug in a iPad holder, tablet, something like that. So it's cool, man. Air vents, temperatures adjustments right here. Amazing legroom, man. The space is super cool. Love how it looks. I love how it feels, man. Sitting in this car, it is very comfortable indeed. Leather is soft and nice. The texture on this is my favorite. I like all this different sort of like designs, you know, that you can get. So let's pull this down. I'll show you guys what's hiding here. So cup holder. Yeah, cup holder is located right here. Let's push that back, close it, push it back up. So very clean and very nice indeed. So even the headrest has a different texture design compared to this. So it's nice to see how uniquely designed everything is. Now the glass roof, super huge, super nice. Got some lights at the back there, so the people at the back is not completely left out in the dark. Check it out once again. Amazing legroom, amazing space, man. Damn, what's going on? Cool. So a hook to hook on. But yes, check out the rear tires, guys. Pirelli tires again, 275/40 R22. Again, the two-tone, three-tone kind of finish. You got some bluish or grayish. You got some black and you got some silver. Fantastic. Badging. You got the M badging. Fantastic. Beautiful. Now let's leave that door open. Let's head down to the rear. I like all these smoke tail lights are happening over here. You got your iX badging over there. The BMW badging over here. 360 camera integrated to the logo. Fantastic. Number plate goes there. You got your rear diffuser in black. Very, very nice indeed. Reverse light should be this. But yeah, let's open up the boot to show you guys. So it's a button to press, opens up completely. Check out the space, man. The space of the boot is fantastic. You got something to grip some stuff in case you don't want things to be rolling around. You can fold down the seats. Let's try, man. Let's try. Is it pull? Oh yeah, pull. So cool, man. So you pull it automatically, it lets go, and you got to go back up there to pull it back up. So it's cool. This, I believe it's a slot where you can actually take it off, but there's a way. I'm not going to fidget with this, but this can actually come off, so you can store something a bit more higher in, so you wouldn't be, you know, having something blocking your view. Very cool. So this is to fold down close back the rear boot. But check it out, when you open that up, what's nice about this BMW car is that you get other lights located here. Amazing texture, beautiful. Love how it looks, man, dude. Just looks fantastic. Oh, wait a minute. I have not showed you from the other side how it looks. So let's open up before that. Charging. AC/DC. Fantastic. iX wording at the side. It's black and it's dark blue, black. Very nice indeed. So let's open up the rear. Show you guys. Let's close this. How much space this car actually has. So check it out, man. Check that out. Check out the glass roof, man, dude. Damn. What's going on here, dude? Amazing. Amazing finish. Dude, this is super strong, man. The way how this finishing is. It's carbon. It's like a carbon top kind of a thing. Wow, all over. Damn solid. Whew. Beautiful. Amazing legroom space at the bottom right there. Compartment storage to keep some stuff at the seats. Again, another one to keep here. Type-C charging. Fantastic. So let's open up this side of the door to show you guys the driver side of things. Let's mute that again. Check out the pedals that we have. Amazing layout. Air vent adjustments. Before that, wait a minute. The door. Seat adjustments. Kind of cool, right? Very nicely done. Memory seats. Opening up the doors. Lock, unlock. You got your Harman Kardon speakers right there. Window adjustments down. Child lock safety. Mirror adjustments. Folding of the mirrors. Compartment storage for your cup. Opening up of the boot. And also your other storage right here. So let's close the boot to see whether it's actually closing. Is it closing? Okay, cool. Never mind. Let's go back there to close it down. But let's take a look. Right there. It's closing right now. Amazing. So let's go back to the front right here. Check out the carbon tub. Damn, dude. This is all the way up to here. Super solid. Super solid. So this is me sitting comfortably in the front driver's seat. You got other settings to do here, answering phone call, volume up, volume down, and you have your other driving assistance system right here. The screen looks at you directly. You have a screen that goes all the way to the left, and also it angles towards you. So fantastic touch on this. But now let's get to this side. Before that, air vents here, hazard light there. So let's check out this knob that we have. I love it, man. Can I swipe up, swipe down? Oh, it's just a wheel to move. Very nice. So start stop button is here. You got navigation, telephone, media, home, back button, and also you got your next play button here. Your driving modes are here. Other assistance systems such as your automatic suspension, parking, and I believe this should be like your distance between you and the front car kind of like setting. Kind of cool. Driving, drive, reverse, to go into neutral. P is here, auto hold is here. So very nice indeed. Press that, opens up. You got other compartment storage just down here, and yeah, very nice indeed. So plenty of storage, man. Check it out. I'm sitting comfortably right here, and love where I am, man. Very nice indeed. Super comfortable. So frameless mirrors, as I mentioned earlier, again, amazing lights that we have on the top. Check out the roof. Fantastic, man, dude. Now let's turn on the front lights to show you guys. Not sure if it's already on. Could be already on. Is it on? Yeah. Let's go and take a look. Not on just yet. Let's go back in and let's press that again to see if it is on. Still not on. Hang on. Or is it? Nope. Okay, so you press this and then it brings you to this side light, right light, parking light, high beam assistant. Amazing. Let's see whether that actually functions. My bad. So if you want to on the lights, you got to make sure this green light is not on, because if it's automatic, probably at night, then it knows if it's under a ceiling or it's bright enough, it will not turn on the lights. But in this case, now the lights are turned on. As you can see, you got amazing daytime running lights over there, over here. You get your main headlights now shining, turning on. So it's really beautiful. Love how spotty it looks, very angular. Check out the grille, man. The grille with their lighting all over the kidney grille, right? Super beautiful. Now let's check out the rear of this piece of art. Amazing interior. Check out the back. I like how it's like the edges are not so sharp, you know, it's blending in really well, and how it fades away and then it comes back to life. So it's beautiful. This should be your rear fog lamp down here, together with your reverse light on these two sides, you know. So very much cool, man. Love it so much. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, do head down to BMW Millennium Welt, where you can find this car and many more other cars located. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.